Let's fix Instagram Reels if they're not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to get into Instagram, you're either trying to watch or create an Instagram Reel and it's not working, I'm going to walk you through various steps to get that fixed. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to just check in a web browser and we're going to type in "is Instagram down?" because we just basically want to make sure that it is not necessarily our fault. It is the Instagram servers that are down and there's not much to do about that. So let's go into down detector here and we'll check to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. You can see there isn't a big spike right now, so that's not the reason. If you do see a big spike, then that reel is not working, basically because Instagram is just having issues. It usually takes them a few hours to get everything fixed and resolved, but you'll just have to wait until they do that. Now, if you're still having issues either going into Instagram and either tapping on watching those reels, maybe they're not playing, there's no sound, they're not working for whatever reason, or you're going home and swiping to the right and the very bottom where it says reel, you're trying to create a new reel, take a video or whatever, and that's not working. The next step that you can do that usually fixes any kind of bugs in Instagram Reels is just to offload and reinstall that app. So let's go into settings here and we'll tap on general and then iPhone storage. Now, once this loads up, it'll load all of the apps that we have on our iPhone. We'll just scroll down until we find Instagram. There it is. And we'll hit offload the app. And then we'll reinstall this app. By going through this process, it force updates Instagram to the latest version and deletes out all of the old files, cache, and all that stuff. And once that's gone through the process of reinstalling it, we can open up that Instagram app again, and it should be working as normal. We should be able to watch any reels or create any Instagram reels. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.